Hey, this is Nate coming to you from Tameron Hyundai. Just want to thank you first off for inquiring about the all-new redesigned 2019 Sonata. I do have one of these vehicles pulled up behind me. Don't worry about color or different features. I just pulled this one just to show you some of the cool features. This vehicle does feature the Hyundai cascading honeycomb grille as well as the LED wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, premium alloy wheels, turn spot indicator, blind spot monitoring. Come inside, I'm going to show you a couple of quick features. Now this is an SEL model, so it does have the Yes Essentials cloth fabric seating, does have heated steering wheel, heated seats, Android Apple CarPlay, 7-inch touchscreen monitor. Once you Bluetooth your phone to the system, it's going to allow you hands-free operation to send text messages, phone calls, things of that nature. But let me tell you one of the beauty points about Hyundai. There's a American Express warranty, and that warranty is 5 years, 60,000 miles, bumper-to-bumper warranty. You're not going to find that anywhere. Also, exclusively here at Tameron Hyundai, we're going to offer you a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty. Again, you can't beat that anywhere. Come see me. My name is Nate, 205-287-2321, and you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.